A few weeks ago I went monk mode because I was tired of not getting action and constantly procrastinating on my tasks. I literally planned my whole day and every single day so that I could make actions most of the time. And it was literally that I would take action 8 hours for 1 hour of learning. But I was miraculously saved by a video of Hamza called How to Go Monk Mode. And basically, more to the end, he talked a bit more about his own routine and what he recommends for people, for aspiring entrepreneurs who goes on this journey. And he said that basically I should align my whole day firstly to learning, just 100% of the day learning. And then he said just identify one most important task that would move your business forward, because most of the tasks are just useless. He talked about this exercise from Tim Ferriss 4-Hour Workweek book, and basically if you could do just one task for your business forever, what would it be? And for me as a YouTuber, choosing anything but recording would be a failure because I wouldn't have a video to upload. Like, upload is not a task, but don't be stupid, it's like 5 minutes to take. Basically, I eliminated those hours of thumbnails, of titles, of endless scripting and researching, and just plan to record videos. You see, how to take action, I realized that it's actually kind of trash, because for that week that I switched towards learning most of the times and then just making one most important task, I achieved so much more progress that I probably achieved more than in a whole year I was in YouTube. And when I was in like 4th day, I think, it felt to me like it's been a month. I genuinely believed that I learned so much just because I was focusing on learning most of the times. But I think you and I were programmed and brainwashed by these people on self-improvement who say that you have to take action or you won't get results in life. Right, actions gives you the results you want, but even when you learn, and even if you watch some self-improvement videos and you do nothing about it, I realized that I was still making progress. Sooner or later, I would realize what I would need to do. I would have this confidence in what I need to do. I would have this motivation, activational energy, because my beliefs still changing. While I'm listening to the 3rd video on dopamine detox, I start to understand a bit more, and my beliefs change, which basically affects my thoughts, how I think about the world, and how I think affects what I do, my actions. So basically, taking action isn't that much of a necessary deal. We were truly pressured by these people, because I thought I was unproductive when I was watching hours and hours of videos of self-improvement, and maybe I was. But for that moment, it was my highest ROI task, because I couldn't really do anything else. Like, what are my substitute? Go and play video games because I feel bad and unproductive watching self-improvement videos? It's kind of stupid, right? And you see, I realized that taking action without learning is just stupidity. Just as Hamza said it in the video, the reason why Hamza blew up so much and so rapidly was because he did the essential task of recording a video and maybe a bit of scripting, like, I don't know, and basically then, I don't know, going to the gym and learning to the rest of the day, like 8-10 hours. Whatever's left was just learning. Learn about how to be a better YouTuber, how to be a better person, about personal efficiency, self-improvement books, I don't know, business books, how to make money, you know? And it's just so funny. Let me see, just if I give you all the value I wanted to. And basically, it also works the same way with learning, with your school. If you want to, let's say, get a good grade on exam like IGCSE or SAT or whatever the fuck you have, what's the one task, if you could pick only one task that you would do for the rest of your life about studying, or for the rest of your studying, right, until the exams, what would it be? And basically, if you choose anything but past papers, you're not able to get full results, full marks, because if you choose, I don't know, like search in some browser, like, I don't know, Cognito or Save My Exams, or some just educational platform, maybe a stack of books, right, reading the coursework, you don't know the questions that are going to be on exams, so you just won't be able to implement it correctly. The highest ROI task of learning, hence, is simply doing the past papers. Basically trying, you fail, and then you go research, Google, like, whatever the answer is and why this is the answer. You see, I haven't realized it for a long time, and I wasted so much time just because I was brainwashed by this message. Yeah, take action, or you will do nothing. I don't know how to take action. I can get myself out of bed at, I don't know, 7 a.m. and I wake up at 3 a.m. But it's all because of the power of continuous improvements, of continuously changing my beliefs, changing my thoughts, and then actions, you see? What I wanted to say is that maybe even if you don't take action right now, for example, if I say to you, basically what Hamza did to me, like life-changing question, what is the one task that you could do for the rest of your life and still succeed in your business, in your health, whatever the hell, let's pick a business. What's the one task? Choose it. Maybe think of the like, I don't know, second and third task, like maybe scripting and, like, I don't know, uploading videos, because without it you'll fucking fail. You see? All the other bullshit, reading comments, I don't know, revising material, I don't know, noting material, some in your learning. I don't know, trying to meditate, obsess over the morning routine of 3 hours of morning routine, right? Yeah, I'm going for a walk, and then I'm going to meditate, and then cold shower, and then I'm stretching, and then I'm going to the gym. Bro, do the fucking work. It's not that hard. Most people will never take action because it's just overcomplicated. It's not split into baby tasks, and you just don't understand what should I do. Like, oh yeah, can I grow this business and make 10k a month? Sure. What I need to do? You don't know. So you just need to know. And how do you know something? From learning, from researching information, from broadening your vision. If you imagine yourself in a dark road and you don't have a vision, your flashlight to see where you're going is learning, is educating yourself, is watching at people who already went that way. And they say, yeah, this one is safe, and that one fucked me up for a year. And you're like, oh, okay, then I go for this route. You see, it's not that complicated. It's just that we were truly pushed that we need to take action. So that's how you take action and by creating this big ass knowledge net that you are so certain and confident of what you need to do, and this activational energy, because you know everything. There is no point in overthinking it anymore. You see, you shouldn't overthink either. Action is great. It's great. It's what you should do. But most people just waste too much time on action. So improve.